This video is going to show you how to get the ViewSonic companion app so you can use it to easily log into the whiteboard software. So if you don't have the companion app downloaded yet, please pause the video and then scan the appropriate QR code on the screen so that you can get the app on your phone. Once you've downloaded the companion app, locate it on your phone and just click on it to open it. When the app opens, just check the box for the user agreement and then click accept to move on to the next screen. If you get a screen about an update, just click OK to move to the login screen. Select the host IT admin as your role. Click continue here so it can use your viewboard.com sign in. And then just click continue. When this portion comes up, you want to be sure to click sign in with Microsoft. Enter your email address and then click next. Choose work or school account, and then you'll be directed to the SSO portal login screen. Once there, enter your username, enter your password, enter yes if you want to remain signed in. And now you're logged into the companion app and you're ready to use the QR code scanner to easily log into the whiteboard software. This is the only time you'll have to go through this login process on the app. It will remember your username and password in the future. You simply just open the app and you're ready to use it.